friends, welcome to online digital shops. Today we will review our dietitian's website. This is one of our dietitian client who has recently designed our dietitian website online. Basically, she wanted her website to be promoted digitally, so she has taken up this initiative to convert her offline business to online. So dietitian Muller.com is the website name. Here you can see the home page where she has a business logo and the title Detox Freedom from Tedious Cycle of Dieting. Once you come and land in this home page, there is a book an appointment. Once you click on book an appointment, it goes to your respective contact page. And further, there is a basic introduction. And for consultation, her mobile number is given. Here you can fix up your own profile picture. Then wherever you have the contact name, you click the contact, it reaches your contact page. Then here she has a standard of how the clients can contact her. So here she says get in touch, contact me. Then you can also have an online session with her with the Google Meet. Once you click the Google Meet, it goes to the Google Meet app or website, and you can download the Google Meet, then contact her in this number provided here. Once the online session and the contact with the Dr. Muller is established, then you can start the nutrition coaching schedule. And down you have a book an appointment. You can fill up your name, your email address, your message, then submit. Then the doctor will contact you for further consultation and schedule of your dietitian plan. And here you have all the social media links to promote your business online. So this is the home page, friends, which has been designed for the dietitian client. So in the left side you see the social media, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, all the social media icons are there. The same thing is at the bottom also. Nowadays this is a new social media digital promotion feature which is very interesting, and it can promote your business. Basically what it does is you click the face, you can just inform your friends to click their respective social media icons and log in with their ID and password. So once they log in with their ID of Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, all these, I will just show you. It just goes to the Facebook page of your friends, and if they got, I already logged in with my ID, so it's showing. I can post this dietitian Muller website. I can put some information here, then I can just post it. Once it posted, it reaches all the members or all your friends will get the dietitianmuller.com website link and the basic home page, so that it is a free of cost. You can promote your website to your social media friends. Not one friends, you can just inform your friends in the network, and it goes on reaching to various people. So in this way, this is a free tool for promoting your website digitally. So this is how the social media plugin works, and whenever you're sharing, it keeps on increasing it shows your number of shares here. So even your friends who are shares, it comes and lands on your friend dietitianmuller.com home page, and it keeps on increasing the score here. It shows your number of shares. Maybe it goes to 1000 shares, 2000, 5000. So it keeps on increasing your website promotion digitally. So then next there is a about page where you can have your further information about your, and you can just have a book an appointment icon, so that anybody sees they can have an appointment with you. Book consultation, then you can have the services in detail. What are the services you provide? We'll see what this dietitian Muller website provides. It basically provides all these plans: pregnancy care, diet plan, health diet plan for COVID patients. Now recently most of the website they have updated with COVID patients diet plan. So after the COVID positive, once they are negative, there is some plan for them to at least go for 1 month to increase their immunity, so that further they will be COVID free. Dietitian consultation for diabetes, thyroid, hypertension, all these are different plans which we can consult, and you can also have what your clients are saying, the positive feedbacks, testimonials from your clients. One is from Canada, one is from Bangalore. Very good. This way all this information will reach your clients. And friends, you can see the plans and pricing what they have to offer. They have one-time plan 2000 rupees. Then in this plan they have only one meeting session and one diet plan. So further, if you want to have further, what they say is recommended for those seeking short-term goals and result for a specific event, wedding, festival. So 4-week plan is costing around 6000 rupees, and also the benefits what you all get in this plan is all mentioned here. You can go through this and can also have a book an appointment. Basically, I'm showing you the features of a dietitian website, so that if any dietitians are there, they can contact us to build a website like this. This is a 24-week plan to the 24,000 for the dietitian plan. 12 weeks plan 15,000, and you can have the social media icons on every page you design, so that you can share and promote your website digitally to different social media platforms freely. That is more important, you can share it freely. And you have a blog section. Under the blog section you can post a number of blogs related to your dietitian schedules, and you can give free tips to your patients. Whatever knowledge you have, you can share with your basically the clients who are in need of your services. This is very simple, you can do it. User on the website is ready. This particular blogs you can post it very easily. Just you need to post the content, one image, then automatically the social media will appear. You can share this post to number of people, your friends group. Then finally you have the contact page where people can contact you. Basically your address, your email address, phone number, and you can also put your name, email address, and so on. As I said, the social media share icons will appear in all the pages. Also you have a WhatsApp contact wherein people can directly reach you on WhatsApp. Apart from the Google Meet in the home page, they can also contact you on WhatsApp. Here we can change whatever content you want. Here the dietitian website says, I am Malar Magesh, your consultant dietitian. Get in touch for a free consultation. Once you open the chat, it directly goes to the WhatsApp chat of the doctor, whose number is given on the website. So directly you can contact the doctor. Basically friends, this is the dietitian website review we have. If any dietitian interested to have website like this, they can contact us for our service. Our website is www.dhanamtej.com, as I have shown you earlier. This is our portfolio website services. I will also provide a link down of this website. You can just contact us to avail our services. These particular services about all our websites have been detailedly explained. I have detailedly explained in our YouTube channel. I will provide that link also in the description. You can just go through and contact us if you are interested to have a dietitian website or any other website, e-commerce website, blog websites. Basically, we'll take up the domain purchase, the website hosting, the website designing as per your requirement, and also we take up your social media promotion, This actually, friends, I have told you about the free social media promotion of your website, but there are other paid ads in Google, YouTube, Instagram, all the social media. They provide promoting your online business digitally with a minimum amount. We can have those service available also for us. We have given those details also in our Google ad setup, Facebook ad setup. Basically, we'll create all the social media pages for you in Facebook, Google, YouTube channel. All this will create. Then finally, you can avail these services to promote your particular business in the social media, so that you get more clients to improve your, else your website is not promoted and it's not reaching more people. For all these services as a single package, you can avail from us, and I will provide you the pricing also. When you contact us, you can request us for a quote. We will provide you there are multiple pricing plans you can choose. Suppose you want only website, then there is a price. Suppose you want to avail the social media advertisement promotion, there is a separate package. And only you want to build a website and have the business pages, there is a pricing. So all this pricing differs. So we have a best pricing, and as per your budget we can plan, and we can also give you a free consultation if you contact us. So that's it, friends. Thank you. Get in touch if you have a requirement for your website promotion or your business promotion purposes. You can contact us at www.dhanamtej.com. Thank you.